All right, Luber Goober here. We're going to talk about more ways to get out of work. Yeah, I've got more of them. Of course, I got more of them. All right, first thing, this is just a tip. When you get caught and you're getting yelled at by the boss, don't pull out your phone and start playing video games on your phone. That tends to get you in more trouble. Just don't. All right, so when they coming around handing out paper ROs, you know, them RO things make you work, you be nowhere to be found. You can hide out where the tire rack is, you can hide out where the used tires are, but you be nowhere to be found. I mean, you already called in sick twice that week, so they probably assume you ain't there if they don't see you. Just say it. All right, they've already figured out the bathroom trick. They already know that one. That's why they took door off the hinge. So we got to find something new to figure out. All right, so get you a set of keys. Go to Home Depot. Get you a spare key made up. Get you a bunch of little keychains. Get you an old RO. Grab it. Walk around like you're looking for a car. Walk around. I'm looking for this car. I'm looking for this car. If I can't find it, I can't do my job. So I gotta find this car. Except it don't exist. You went out, bought you some keys, and you grabbed an old RO out of the pile, and you looking for a car. And you keep looking. Maybe you find a nice little hiding place outside the building, get on your phone, watch some Joe Dirt. You know, plenty of places to hide outside that ain't got cameras, but you gotta make sure you ain't on camera. You know, play it up for when you're on camera. You know, walk around, looking at the RO, looking at the RO. Keep looking like you're looking for a car, even though it don't exist. All right, now this next one is about hiding in plain sight. What do I mean by that? Well, shop computer. You go up to it, act like you're doing actual work. You know, looking for something, trying to figure something out. You know, maybe looking at that all data Mitchell, whatever your shop got. But then you open a separate tab and you log into YouTube. You log into your favorite streaming site and you sit there and you watch your favorite movie. Mine is Joe Dirt. So you sit there, watch it. You got to put the closed captions on. You can't have the audio. It sucks, but you're getting out of work. And you get to watch your favorite movie. You just got to do a little reading. Kind of sucks, but better than working. So you sit there and you got to pay attention. You got to look around, man. You can't just focus on the movie because they catch you, you're going to be in trouble. What you do is you sit there watching Joe Dirt. Somebody coming that's important, you tab back to that Mitchell or that all data and you're looking for some information. You're not watching Joe Dirt. You're looking up how to do that job. They ain't going to think nothing of it. You're sitting there going, oh, I'm looking for how to do this job. When they ask you why it's taking you so long, you go, well, I'm stupid. I got to read all the directions. They know you're stupid, so, you know, they're going to leave you alone. Then you can tab back in, watching more Joe Dirt. You getting out of work right in front of them. How cool is that? Now that one you gotta, like I said, you gotta look around though. You can't just focus in on the Joe Dirt. I know it's your favorite movie, but you can't focus. All right, now this next one is about how much time you spend in the office. Now this one is fun and tricky. You gotta be a little secretive about it, but you sneak your little butt up into the office like you're gonna talk to somebody, but you kind of just hang out, act like the person on the phone is who you need to talk to, but you're just sitting there watching the Phillies. Now you gotta have a good excuse. You know, whoever's up there, you gotta have a reason to be up there in case they ask you, because it may happen. But you just sit up there waiting for that person that's on the phone. You just sit there and you look around at all the fillies in the waiting room. You know, ooh, that's a little hottie. I need to hang up here a little more. Now you can't linger too long. You know, they do tend to question you. So you go up there, you hang around for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you ain't working though. That's the best part. And you get to look at all the nice fillies up there. So you sit there, you look at them. Ooh, that nice. Ooh, that old lady. Ooh. That dude look like he can kick my butt. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to work. Real important advice though. Whoever you decide you're waiting for, you know, whoever's on the phone, you need to turn around and get out of there before they put that phone down. Your back needs to be facing them if they put that phone down. Because otherwise, they're going to ask you what you want. Now, you remember you had to have an excuse. You had to have something to ask them. But you can wander up back there, listen for them on the phone again, and you creep back in there and check out them fillies. And then, remember, they put that phone down. Your butt need to be headed back. At that point, they probably don't remember why you were up there, so they don't care. Hope you like these tips to get out of work. I mean, why do you go to work other than a paycheck? Well, to get out of it. So, you know, get out of it as much as you can. Spend as much time not working as possible. That's the Luber Goober way. Hope you liked this video. As always, Luber Goober out.